Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have two stacked 3x3 sticky notes. Align adhesive strips so they stick together and create a 3x6 working sheet. Start by folding the long edge in half lengthwise and press a sharp crease with your thumbnail. This creates a center guide that controls flight balance. Once done, open the paper and fold each top corner down to meet the center crease, forming the plane's pointed nose. Make sure creases are tight. Tighter creases keep the nose firm and reduce drag in flight. Refold the model along the center crease so the pointed nose sits at the front. Now fold each side down to form wings, aligning the wing edge about 1/2 inch above the bottom of the body so the nose retains some weight. Once both wings match, fold a 1/2 inch winglet up at each wingtip. These winglets stabilize roll and help glide. If the nose is floppy, add a small inward tuck at the tip to concentrate mass. This helps the plane fly straighter and farther. Hold the plane by the middle of the fuselage and perform a gentle test toss to observe its flight. You're checking for pitch, yaw, and roll. If it veers, trim small notches in the trailing edge or bend one winglet slightly to counteract drift. To add stability, bend both wings up a little to create a dihedral angle. This encourages self-correcting behavior in the air. Finally, increase throw power gradually and tweak small adjustments until you get a smooth, level glide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.